Alan Kyeremateng say on pese obetwasu bim with the flag bearership race no. Enti we yin say free home. He does not want to be part of this process. Na dia ya ehu ewo de Alan Kyeremateng atro adikudie ntia ogina so atwe no ho every race when enema ne dangerous.
Say big question will be able to say Alan Kyeremateng, Honorable former trade minister. Flag bearership race in a way free man na say MPP party na nkasa no pese otwe ne ho edi free ho. Eno ne question obia ebisa. San say ohwe ne press release or the babonti ensema ogina so ka no e kire say MPP party na nkasa no omo amwa no. In terms of sena omo kwa select flag bearer aba omo di kan etoye. Ose niema bi koso a in fact entwa yie no sha otimu se omo nhia no. Ye to aba ne wie ya che. But also one in team na tena se ehunu se da bi. Eniema ba akum yenu bi e koso no e kire se ampa. Saba ne to ni in favor of certain candidates bi. Enunti ose siema o baby na ene e kire o baby a awiada. Ti sabram no ka say de Alan Kyeremateng atwe ne ho e de free presidential flag bearership race na ekoso no. Na eno na bebre na ebusa ne se senka eye ne senka party baby tro bibia babonten a ka be hu se party ne symbol na nka eda so saa. Nenso Dr. Alan Kyeremateng eye ne press release ya ode baaye no uhwema ye hunu MPP party ne symbol bibia ewo eso eno nti eno na Ghana fo bebre na ebusa se papa yi opa kire sen adan party no enmom no wayi ne ho afrim ana se otherwise abusua ye hwe kwan ya papa we efa so ebewura MPP mu a o ka guru sa womo MPP mu a untimi nka na wunyi Kyeremateng Alan emfrim na teach na chitafo nso doso pa especially sa oba form a entinenka bebre na yes Alan odi abaye di kan akoto ye ndi ye nim se MPs ni ministers na akoto ye tinka ye ntwen die grassroots for no be kwa akoto no eho ene nke ebehwe bema nenso kame ese papa ne se da bi wono de wonsi nsuo mansa no aham seven prediasa oso ohunu danger se eba ohunu atoso baako oso ma ne ntoso mpre no sanse kwasia ntohwe yintia so mpre no na bebre na ka se basa nso anu wadi na chitaafo nhwamo se ne America no because ene se utie various radio stations a omo fra mechia incoming president John Alan Kyeremateng mechia incoming president the likes of Kwaku Asumadumo the likes of Roman Fadamo adabi omo fra omo chia incoming president John Alan Kyeremateng a utimu se wo mu na ekwa akoto aba the special delegates abato na wo mu de utimu se wo mu arehye mu se papa no by hook or crook ono ne nkomo be yi no ama sebe wababa be di amanyoku nanim ne base ya na chesa ase wo mu enya nhwemu die kakra nenso se de meka no panyimfo se de wayira no onim ba bia wote Alan Kyeremateng se abato aye to aye nuru ba bia mponie eni yetime bo obi a wo kogina nanem ama sabre papa nani akata oso obi ama abonte ma me condemn ye that means say amfo na kire ne nto aso anhwa de betimi asense biem no ende anhwa nipa nkwa ene ye begie free ne nsem enu nti wo se pam no twa no etuo nkwa twere de twere yenya ne ntie se president kofo friend kansem bebre kire ne se sa decision na nko wo take no ebe ya nko nyai nenso wo se papa mintimi nyina wanimu ntwantro wanimu ha de metimi akase da bi magye atom nanso de maye madwene no saa na mepese meye madwene ti bebre na ebusa say papa ne person o te ne party anaso obeko as independent candidate eno ni asama amanfo bebre na ebisa mama ye remfi say John Kyeremateng ya ye ken say the American no we DMPP party de chiache yie pa na wo so ohunu ni si ye ya na yipamu sanse yese se afani afanka na nche se baabi fo me fankodi wo hwe wo somo de asom party no wo hwe mu bre emu mpentinkwa eduru mre bi ni nua panyi wo jai adidie edema no ano expect se nka ni nua panyi nso kwa obadwen hu se daabi ebre duru meso ana ne yemema yede no uje mu bokọ de maame enu ntin enka me nso me kwei wadaroma bebe akire osi yankoba ne saa akoba sa afede ye pagya ne nan de ato nipa tentene ko ho ye toto momoni ahye nanum no obie nanum ayaka acha ne se nanum nyehwam ose bra wa bre party ne ho emu nisuo emu sikaseye emu dimbo emu dinsaye no onim se onde enku odi akire wo jemu di amana nado nimpre nu so ene wo jemu sankani nua panyin so kwa kono so hu ne mobo na nna bebre na so kase akonwa no eyefia akonwa na die yehunu wa Ghana politics ho so ne se Ghana politics both MPP and NDC so ani nye den a untimi enya Ghana politics so wani enya den a enya de abetimi Ghana politics because eniema bia ya na koso ensem bia ya na omkeka kire wo mo ho so wani nya de enya de abetimi ajoin enu nti bebre na so mu se ne nke osala Kyeremateng ni ye den ase dadaba na ya adoso sanse aba ye koto aye ntunwi ye de kense so otimi eye den etwe ho edi free weni ni mpre no so a Alan John Kojo Kyeremateng atwe ne ho edi free party no first one see ye kofuo bi ko ne na so ma wosan bae we ye bisa so obesan ba na the big question asema wa hanso ne say ya ye course akọ party headquarters ukọ ha yesi bibia nkyere besi ne Alan fa letter bia mai so ayi ne ho afrim enu nti ballot papers are one more printed for next elections no the ombekọ akoto no still Alan dinka ho sans ukọ party headquarters a omso omonsanka letter bia chese papa ne say onye interested flag bearership race di mu biem nemu mabonten de papa na ba bonten ababeka ti di bebre na ebusa ne se adan mum na nka Alan unikan emma party fo nya we onfa letter nko party headquarters entrom se sei de mayi mi hu afrim ansa no aba bonten aba be make statement to ko party headquarters a omo so omo de omo nti se dogo bi nu abe omo de still omo guso a omo print Alan dinka ho next elections omo kwa akoto ti se duru wona se wan show up a ene enye obi ne kuma ntwi buasi akọ ene di ne ti age akyerema Ghana fo bebre na kan sem bebre ensem bebre na Ghana fo bi ka titu ne Alan supporters omo di ho yawo enra se de na maame bi si bi su wode ne nsa bo ne yam se nenka eduru Alan so ene ya twe ne to akonya ede mu obi foforo atena so enu nti sabe wo hwe de ekoso MPP mu a eye efie aba ye to anke ye niwa ba akoma nenso sabre akoye kasa twitwie ene ye friend sen ene chibubu ti so ye Alan supporter ebia na nura na wada na wonim de asie nyina ne se papa na twene ho ɛde free MPP flag bearership racer ekosono wayi ne ho afrim ne said the American no bebre na said there be enye no nko no watwe ne ho afrim na emom anhwe a papa ne beyi ne ho afri MPP party no mu ankasa ye wa ha de beto fom bia ne ye de bebro na emom ansa na no Ghana fo bebre na kasa bekwa akotie kofo bi kasa wo mo kasa ensama manfo bi ka na emom ansa me kanfo due pay money transfer di ama who use Apple, who use Android, download it from our application store. Due pay money transfer. Who are US, Canada? Who send this card to Ghana? I don't know what we use. For cry. Who pesa? Who send this card now? $5 can see one. No, I use me promo code DJKA. And no one now you see who be $5 account see count. They all send the brand Ghana no see any capre. Young Connie and Cotier and someone among Phoebe Brennan so. Eka resign Alan I resign there free reason enso emu yenkoni nkotie
Alan Kyeremateng say on pese obetwa so bim with the flag bearership race no enti we yin in free ho he does not want to be part of this process na dia ya ehu e de Alan Kyeremateng achro adekudie ntia ogina so atwe no ho every race when any man here dangerous. Alan they so enipa. Alan is human. Alan is not the only person who can lead the NPP. But when you check the track record of Alan Kyeremateng, even when he contested the Kufuado and a rough, a daring, Alan Kyeremateng did not write the kind of things he's written today. Ntuabusa will say a day in the such a person go further to write such things and finally saying that I don't want to be part of this NPP. On Sunday, the 27th of August 2023, I issued a public statement which made reference to the selection and shortlisting of presidential aspirants by the Special Electoral College convened by the New Patriotic Party on the 26th of August 2023. After having carefully analyzed the results of the said elections, it is absolutely clear to me from events leading to, during and after the elections that the Special Delegates Conference was strategically and tactically skewed in favor of one particular aspirant. Alan Kyeremateng say, "Yato abali nyina wie na otena asese nyoma no, oni ni team SSC bibia no, e make sure say the course no, osi we hu se abana yato na nsen a yede ba be yi flag bearer no ohun ni clear oni ni team eye mo analysis ni hu say ya twiem ama nipa bi said nipa bi mom na ndie nim ye wiem aba bawumia." Alan Kyeremateng can the same thing Ejako said in a different tone. Osi na na Danko Kufuado aban we achimfo kitwa we no almost sisa party ne mra ewiem dane skew no obi ka say you are skewing na to say oh chichire obi nse gurechi adane nani ahwe baby wa manchire ade no amana ko obi afa. It will be say a dent Alan say and unko bima we who's the party ni leadership no akronfo omumbu party ni constitution omumbu baby o free any asantefo and omodani party no amana show omoso na said you ebedade show obedient ken dane show omoso na de bia no omonfa party no. We need some of the reasons that Alan Gina so say me ne MPP for flag bearership race to kwanta ya pai. According to the pronouncement made by some leading members of our party both before and after the elections also lend weight to my observations. Or see, the man has some okra okano injina so woman say and I say a once you are a memu doing the say party ma sebio omwa bemu MPs state owned enterprises leaders mpenifo a ekufo ado to safra no omukra kan clear and ayati or say Mensa Bunsu, MPs Nina, Asantefo MPs, DN, Omunina say, Omu Pese Bawumia Wini. And so you need to understand, say, when you know maniti as say, na party no, Ekufuado nen agenda for na your margin say, Omwe Jumama Bawumia. Because MP say me pe Bawumia, chairman say me pe Bawumia, Obia say me pe Bawumia, Adentra, ye de Bawumia nepe. Bawumia betima demand so inform ho, because Ekufuado agenda no needs to work. It is the agenda they are following. They are not following the priorities of the party. They are not following the constitution of the party. They are not following the interest of the people in the party. They are following Achim Sakawa Ekufuado Busua agenda. And Bawumia is the pawn. Bawumia na yekoliko no and omuyuzu no. The same as Canada Japan so kaho, because he was part of the people who started that their damage from the back. And it's to me the Pemka say, I will give you a showdown because ye me ni yedi bone pen. Ye me ni yekuni papen. Ye me ni na yedi bone a the suspect or committee can ebo ye me no din. It is man pass man. Alankorechi Mantiko the name in the third paragraph now see the fourth paragraph. The level of intimidation of varying intensity, directly and indirectly unleashed on a significant number of delegates at various voting centers across the 16 regions is unprecedented in the history of our party. Or see, abua ya bunko for tatanko for a bunko for ma our party nim abra yes election e bin si da in the history of the NPP. Oh, who to trust them say that e won ni so say obe join the NPP. Or say Alankorechi man say oh won't be that. Say ye boo nipa, ye tata nipa party internal election. Or so or no, or see so as a young man I will be near to do so. Or who say be when people muda. It is dangerous. So technically the party has become party of murderers, hooligans, party of people are the leader believes in tyranny. This is baby frino e hone eba bedruno. According to Alan said or say, in addition, the fact that my polling agent in the northeast region has suffered severe damage to his eyesight arising from this bold and courageous effort to ensure compliance with every rule and regulation for the conduct of the elections as approved by the Presidential Election Committee will forever remain a dark spot in the history of internal elections within the party. Or say, me ankasa agent ana or say, election because trodo yen sisi obi no bin sisi ye en say yen yankase party for nipa bi share party for chi abro eye me yankase me agent emma and the nani asai and the nani ni be hia surgery no or see eye eka tuntuma aka party na onyankopon ko an betumi apepa sa aka no or see the dark spot se kasa dark spot eye etwa tuntum etwa eka ho a indelible mark enkoda. Or say party no afantuma boni bi efra or no Alankojo Kyeremateng or no ani nipa or MPP ni or party no ya bro na say ni no on pese sebu or de ne ho beka ana or de or obi obe support this kind of tyranny. To all more reasons why all free party no flag bearership contest him. Okwa ase wa Alankojo Kyeremateng esedian. This incident and various acts of violence and collusion reported in other voting centers are appalling, unquestionable, and despicable. Or say sanyoma we sisi wo Ghana yen yankasa internal election mu nankofo kan wasama yen nyina yenu tua no time ya bonyono etwasuru mu de bia MPP ayenimu no enye nie na time. This is Alankojo Kyeremateng ano asem or chiri Ghana for adikudienti a ene party no flag bearership no yin in safe no onye ready so be kunipa and onye ready so be kuno. And the party now has become a party of murderers. Into top one, you see Medra 1 candidate, Medra 2 as candidate. So it is a party of cluster of murderers. Party that does not follow its own constitution. Party on one kasa nemra or troye no emu penifo etumi niguso no maka say de bema obi amene. Okwasiawa say I am committed to and value the safety of those who work with me and for me, and I will always fight for their interests. Or say didn't see a catch them who say omudi omakuma any omokra to so meye adwuma ma no ene ne beye adwuma no wa kan kire onyankopon ene nakuma mu se ondi omuhwamo enti saa ewudi sem we one moto nkwanta wa pai. This is the party in power.